Hello friends. Install and config Suricata IDS with genetic algorithm network with microk8s ubuntu. Aman Shariarian IR.
Hello friends, in this tutorial we learn how to install and configure Suricata IDS with genetic algorithm network with microk8s Ubuntu. Prerequisites: ensure Ubuntu is up to date. With this command, update and upgrade Ubuntu, and install microk8s with snap install microk8s, and set up permissions with sudo user mode, and create new group with name microk8s with this command, and enable necessary microk8s add-ons, for example DNS and storage add-ons with this command, and set up Suricata Docker image. For example, create a Docker file for Suricata to run Suricata within a Kubernetes cluster. We need to containerize it. Create a Docker file. For create a Docker file, go to Ubuntu, and type sudo nano make a Docker file, and use this scripts or command for install and build Docker file. Here paste, save this, and build the Docker image with this command. Build my Suricata Docker image. Wait to build finish. After complete and finish, Docker image build, push the Docker image to local registry with this. You can push Docker image to local registry or Docker hub, and for set up the microk8s registry, if not already done, use this command. For this command, enable registry add-ons, wait to finish registry add-ons enable. After enable registry add-ons, then tag and push the image to the local microk8s registry with these two commands, and deploy the Suricata on microk8s with create a Kubernetes deployment file. This deployment file will deploy Suricata as a pod in your microk8s cluster. With this command, make a file Suricata deployment, and first remove this file and create again, and copy this script YAML configuration here, and save this. For deployment and apply this file Suricata deployment, use this command, wait to Suricata deployment applied, and verify the pod running with this command. And for implement genetic algorithm for optimized Suricata rules, install deep genetic algorithm library with this command, install deep with pip3, and create a genetic algorithm script. For this script will be used to optimize Suricata's detection parameter. Make a optimize suricata.py file and add this script to this file, and next run this command for execute or run Python file. Step 4, configure and tune Suricata based on genetic algorithm output. Access Suricata logs. You can monitor the logs to see how Suricata performs with the new configuration with this command. Use this Suricata pod name to get pod name. Use this command. Use microk8s kubectl get pods and name your name pods here, and run and execute these pods. For updates Suricata configuration with genetic algorithm parameter, adjust suricata.yaml file as per the optimized parameter generated by the genetic algorithm, and apply the change by restarting the Suricata pods. For restart Suricata deployment after each update, restart the Suricata pod, load the new configuration with this command, and with this command delete pods. With this command delete or remove your pods. And for automate genetic algorithm tuning in microk8s, you can create Kubernetes cron job to automatically run the genetic algorithm script periodically. Create a cron job YAML file and use this script for cron job genetic algorithm run. For example, schedule this runs every hour, and apply the cron job with this command kubectl apply genetic algorithm cron job.yaml.